Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. First of all, before starting subject computer of class 7, I would like to welcome you all in a class 7 first of all. Then I would like to wish you all happy Ramadan Mubarak. And here in this video you can see chapter number 1, number system, part 1. So today we have to learn about all things of number system. So in this video I am going to explain you about how many number systems are there and how it will work. Okay, especially for this is for computer, because a computer not understand our numbers, even not our language. Computer understand its own language and it is binary. So if we write down number in our language, how the number convert into binary code. Okay, so that thing we have to learn in this chapter. Now let's start today's video. Here is the chapter number 1, number system. In early days, when there were no means of counting, it means that there were no anything of calculating device or anything of counting numbers, people used to count with the help of fingers, stones, pebbles, sticks, etc. How the people count the numbers? Using their fingers, stones, pebbles and sticks. But these methods were not adequate and had many limitations. But this method was not adequate. Why it had many limitations? Because if number is in a big numbers like in hundreds or in thousand, so we are going to find out how many thousand or hundreds stones, pebbles or sticks. So it is not adequate in all situations, and so many limitations are also there. That's why many number systems were introduced with the passage of time, and that's why after passage of time, means passing so many years, there were new number system were introduced. Okay, so there are 4 number system. First, decimal number system. Second, binary number system. Third, octal number system. And 4, hexadecimal number system. This all 4 number system we have to learn in this chapter. Today I am going to explain you only decimal number system. What is a decimal number system? Decimal number system means, do you think like that decimal number system, it means that numbers like this, right or no? But it is wrong. 3.5, you are thinking like that this is a decimal point number and this is decimal number system where you get the point, right? But this is wrong. Decimal number system means what? So the need of for counting has paved a path to introduce decimal number system. First of all, decimal number system was introduced, in which 0 to 9 numbers are used to form any number. 0 to 9 digits are used to form any number. Using 0 to 9, you can form any number in 100, in thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, any number you can create using 0 to 9 only. Because except 0 to 9, any number comes in any number series in hundreds or thousands. No, that numbers from the 0 to 9 only, right? Most of our arithmetic operations are performed with decimal number system. Means in arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and other arithmetic operations which are performed in arithmetic mathematics, that all are based on decimal number system. Because in maths, wherever you can see the number, it is from decimal number only. Why? Because it consists 0 to 9 number and it create from either from single digit or from the group of this 0 to 9 series. Means out of 0 to 9 you can take 2 numbers from 0 to 9, means you are making a group of 2 digit and create one number like 5 and 2. I use 0 from 0 to 9, first number 5 and second number 2. Which number I get? 52. Understood? It means that it is a group of number. It means that it is a group of number. So it consists the 10 digits. How 10 digit? Like this way. 0 to 9. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. In 0 to 9 it consists 10 number. So that's why the base of this binary number system is 10. This is most important thing which is used in each and every sum of this chapter. Okay, so remember this thing. Decimal number system consists 10 digit. So that's why base of decimal number system is 10. Clear everyone? This is the basic thing. You must have to remember for each and everything, each and every sums or each and everything questions you are asking in this chapter. Okay everyone? So decimal number system consists 10 digit. So that's why the base of decimal number system is 10. Each number can be used individually. Before I told you this thing that each number use or work individually, means separately you can take a 0, 1, 2, 3 as or you can make a group of the number to form a numeric value. या तो फिर आप क्या कर सकते हो, ग्रुप बना सकते हो to form a numeric value. For example, 82 minus 256, 52.87. Okay, so after making a group of the number, you can create 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, anything. Even it can be positive number, negative number, real number or a fraction number. Clear everyone? So any kind of number you can create using 0 to 9. Either it can be used individually or it can be used in a group. And also it can be positive number, negative number, real number and fraction number. Any kind of number you can make using 0 to 9 means decimal number. Okay, so after making that number, making a group of that number, suppose that 82. Here is a two numbers used, those digits used, 8 and 2. I want to find out each digit in a number. What is the value of each digit in a number? That I create that 82. I want to find out value of each digit in a number. What is the value of that number after making a group of it? Okay, so it is depend on three things. The first one is the face value of the digit. Face value of the digit means that if here is a 82, what is the meaning of face value? Face value means that number its own. That number its own means if I give you one example, your own, that what is your strong identity which is not for any others, not possible for any other, that identity, what is it? Your hair, your eyes, your nose, your hands, your look, your name, your surname, your father name. What is your strong identity which is never ever another have? It is your own face, right? So your face is your strong identity. Just like that, in 82, if you want to find out the face value, means that number its own. फेस वैल्यू अगर आपको बोला जाता है तो फेस वैल्यू क्या है, वो नंबर खुद है. सपोज 2 की फेस वैल्यू क्या है, 2. 8 की फेस वैल्यू क्या है, 8. व्हाट इज द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 1? 1. Clear everyone? So if anyone asks you what is the face value of this number, so the face value of that number is that number itself. Clear everyone? Now next thing, what is the base of the number system? It is depend on the base of number system. Can you please tell me 82 is from which number system? It is from decimal number system. Why? Because it is coming from 0 to 9. Okay, and it consists 10 digits, so that's why this is decimal number system and the base of decimal number system is 10. Clear everyone? So decimal number, this is decimal number system and that's why the base of this number system is 10. Clear? Understood everyone? And the last thing is the position of a number, of the digit in a number. Position. I want to find out the position of this number in this digit in this number. So here is a 2 digit. 8 and 2. So we start giving position from a right hand side. We start giving position from a right hand side, and whatever the number is on right hand side, it get first position as in 0. You must have to give first position as in 0. Okay, so first number get 0th position. Clear? We have to start giving position from a right hand side, and whatever the first number is, it get 0th position first. Okay, we not start giving position from 1 से देना start नहीं करना है. We have to start giving position from 0. Clear? And you must have to remember from a right hand side. उसके बाद वाला नंबर को पोजीशन मिलेगी 1. Then next number, suppose that 7, so it get 2. Clear? This way you have to go on. So you have to start giving position from right hand side, and right hand side whatever the first number is, it get 0th position. Clear? This thing over. Now next topic. So this thing, remember that these 3 things you have to depends for finding the value of each digit in a number. For example, I am going to show you one example here, that 547. 547. Now face value of, we start giving position face value also from a right hand side, because we start counting numbers from ones. Okay, ones means unit, tens and hundred. Okay, so what is the face value of 7 here? 7. What is the face value of 4 here? 4. What is the face value of 5 here? 5. तो चलो फर्स्ट थिंग हमने दे दिया फेस वैल्यू. नाउ सेकेंड थिंग, बेस ऑफ अ नंबर सिस्टम. 547 come from which number system? This is coming from decimal number system. So that's why the the base of this number system is 10. So that 10 comes here. 7 is also decimal number, so multiply 10. 4 is also decimal number, so 10 multiply 10. 5 also decimal number, so multiply 10. Now the position. Few minutes ago only I told you that we start giving position from right hand side, and first number get 0 position. So here, which is the first number? 7. We give the position 0, next 1 and 2. Where this position go? It goes raised to 10. 10 raised to 0. 7 have a 0 position, so we write down like this: 10 raised to 0, 10 raised to 1 and 10 raised to 2. Clear everyone? 1, 2, 0, 1 and 2 कहाँ से आया? ये उनकी पोजीशन है, उस नंबर की पोजीशंस है. क्लियर एवरीवन? ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट, हियर यू नो द मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, डिवीजन, बट raised to 0 means, raised to 1 means how to evaluate this all thing. So we will remember one thing, that is any number raised to any number, then this number count this number of times. समझ में आया? इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? अगर सपोज दैट यहाँ पे 2 है, 2 raised to 3, so 2 counts 3 times. I'm not saying like that 2 count with 3. With 3 नहीं बोला. 2 count 3 times means that you have to count 2 3 times. 1 multiply 2 multiply 2. कितनी बार काउंट हुआ यहाँ पे? 3 times. So what is the answer of 2 raised to 3? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Clear everyone? So 2 count 3 times, not 2 count with 3. 2 count with 3 नहीं है, 2 count 3 times. So 2 3s are 6, आंसर नहीं आएगा. 2 raised to 3 means answer is 8. How? 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times multiply किया, so आंसर क्या आया? 8. वैसे ही यहाँ पे देखिए 10 raised to 0. First number is 10 raised to 0. 10 counts 0 time. If any number raised to 0, if any number raised to 0, answer always 1. यहाँ पे कोई भी नंबर हो और ऊपर 0 हो, उसका आंसर आपको क्या लिखना है? 1. क्लियर एवरीवन? सपोज 10 raised to 1. 10 काउंट्स कितनी बार हो रहा है? 1 टाइम. सो सिर्फ आंसर क्या आएगा? 10. ठीक है, 10 1 10 नहीं किया है, 10 1 टाइम ही काउंट हुआ है. सो 10 इज आंसर. 10 रेज टू 1 इज 10. 10 रेज टू 2 मीन्स नॉट 20. 10 2 20 नहीं. 10 into 10 means 100. Clear everyone? Understood this point? Okay, so 10 into 10 means 100. Okay, so this way we have to count raised to number. Here you can see 10 के अलावा कोई और भी नंबर होगा तो भी वैसे ही होगा. जैसे कि 2 raised to 4, not 2 4s are 8 but 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. Clear? This way. Now let's start. 10 raised to 1. So कैसे काउंट हुआ होगा? 7 into 10 raised to 0. Any number raised to 0 means 1 or 0? 1. Okay. Now 4 into 10 raised to 1. 10 counts 1 time means क्या है यहाँ पे? 10. Now 5 into 10 raised to 2. 10 counts 2 time means 10 into 10. Not 20 but 100. Okay. So इसका आंसर आ गया 7 1 7. 4 into 10 40 and 5 into 100 500. So this way we can find out each digit value. What is the value of 7 in this number? 7. What is the value of 4 into this number? 40 and 5 500. Clear everyone? So this way we have to find out each digit value in a number. Okay, now observation that the position value of each digit increases 10 folds as we move from right to left. In the above mentioned example, 5, 4 and 7 are the face value of digit and their place value are 100, tens and units respectively. So the face value depends on the position of the digit in the number. Okay, now here I'm going to stop this video. In the next video I will come with new topic of next number system, which is binary number system. Okay, in that video I will explain you about what is binary number system, how we have to convert binary to decimal number and decimal to binary number. Okay, so till then stay happy and stay safe. Bye everyone. Bye to you.